Hi, how are you? I hope you all are well fine. Now 2020 has come to an end and we all are about to enter in 2021. So today I'm here to share a message with all of you. In 2008, I started doing a research about making a career and business successful. After 12 years of research, I have found lots of insight, messages and learnings. Some of your colleagues, some of your friends, some of your family members are far ahead of you in terms of career, in terms of success and business. So the question is, are these people 10 times more luckier than you? Do these people have more resources than you? Or do these people get better circumstances and conditions as compared to you? When I was doing my research, I was totally impressed by some people and their success. Those people came from very humble backgrounds with less resources, almost no degree, no graduation, and with almost equal in terms of good luck, circumstances, and family. So, how those people have done it in their life? Why some of your friends from the same college with almost same degree, with almost same marks, are ahead of you after 5 years of the graduation? Do we have to look for any kind of shortcut or magic for this? The answer is no. Are those people far luckier than you? The answer is still no. So how some people achieve more success in less number of time as compared to other person who have more knowledge, better degrees and more marks? The answer lies in numbers of efforts. Those people have taken more number of decisions, have taken more number of risks, and they literally put more number of efforts. When you can't beat someone in terms of resources, in terms of luck, in terms of circumstances, you definitely can beat them in terms of your efforts. When I started doing my research, I had a lack of resources. This is true. But I was more determined, I was more confident, and I put in more number of efforts to achieve that success, to come up with all the results to conclude my research. And in research, I have found that those who are ahead of us have put in more number of efforts. They have taken more number of risks. So, in conclusion, they have got more number of results. Is it very difficult to understand? No. Can every person follow this simple philosophy? Definitely yes. So, in 2021, if you want to achieve success in your life, then go ahead with this common understanding that when you lack in resources, when you lack in circumstances, when you lack in luck, you can replace any of those conditions with no more number of efforts. There is no shortcut, there is no magic, and there is no easy answer. It's you and your efforts only. 2021 is a kind of better year for all of us. We all have more hopes, more optimism, and I wish the success to all of you. With this message, I wish you a very happy new year and huge success in your life. I'm Jerry Parasar and I thank you for your valuable time.